you need to make a connection with the company that you choose because you're going to be working with them for a while. So that was our incentive with Davie, because I think from the first meeting that we had with the sales team, we were impressed. I think the biggest thing though was with Davie is that they told us, we have a brick house obviously, and they told us that we could keep the brick, where a lot of people were saying the brick is just a facade, and so that has to come off when we raise the house. Our house is up and down several levels, and only part of it actually sat on a slab. So that was another very difficult thing. They had to go under the slab and raise it, and raise then the other levels all at the same time. We were concerned about that, but because they did it that way, I was literally only out of the house for 4 days. I definitely think it was the people with whom we met, and the fact that they had open communications with the grant people. Everyone was communicating with each other. So we didn't have to worry about what are we supposed to do now with the grant people. The whole process was streamlined, and like I said, obviously they'd been through it many times before, so they know that gives you confidence that they know what they're doing. I'd say go with Davie. The whole process, like I said, I was very comfortable with it. We were able to talk with people whenever we wanted to. Even if I just called Davie and said, I don't know who I should ask about this, they would, send me in the right direction. And so we were confident through the process. And we did have glitches, and we did have things we needed to do and address and discuss and add to the scope of work and that sort of thing. But I just found that the people were professional and just easy to work with.